All right, now that I'm actually stationary somewhere, y'all. Oh, pardon my friend. Good morning again. Backyard barbecues, barbecuers, man. This your boy, Mr. Beach, Backyard Barbecue. Man, so I told y'all it was a second surprise going on for these guys. I'm releasing. I ain't even say releasing. I'm introducing you to my website. I have. I used to have a website a long time ago. I don't even know if anybody remembered because I had it about a year and I didn't do too much with it. But anyway, this thing is cold blooded, man. I'm in the process of adding stuff. Uh, I'll say this for the end, but I'm thinking about doing something for all my backyard barbecues out there, or even a section on there where you can put your latest host or whatever. Thinking about that. Just depends on how much it's gonna cost me for space for that type of thing. But I'm gonna walk y'all through it, so bear with me as I try to learn this technology so I can record the screen as I go through the web page and I walk you through everything about it. And then we're gonna get back to business, y'all. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. And check out my website, man. I got a rambunctious. I'm just using crazy words. Rambunctious amount of material on there. I'm gonna have recipes on there. I'm gonna have uh free guides. I'm gonna have premium guides. I'm gonna have it all, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you through every single page. It won't take long. I promise you. I'm sending you on your way. We get back to business, y'all. Stay tuned.